Ford will once again have a healthy selection of custom cars at its SEMA show booth this year. One of the models featured will be the Ford Focus, and 4 groups each customized one for the show. 3 of them are built off of the Focus RS, while one group opted for the Focus Street. Their styles range from a flashy street car to a rally-ready hatchback. Check each of them out below. Ford Focus ST by Blood Type Racing. What is it? Blood Type Racing decided to skip the top-tier Focus RS in favor of the more accessible front-drive Focus Street. They then modified such that it should scare quite a few Focus RSs. It features a turbo upgrade kit from Full Race, and it uses the largest compatible turbocharger available, a BorgWarner EFR 7163. According to the Full Race site, this kit is capable of producing up to 500 horsepower. In addition to the turbo upgrade, Blood Type Racing added a Ford Performance exhaust and short throw shifter, as well as a custom tune using a Combix S4 tuner.